A warm welcome and a very good morning to you all. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live with the host Julie Bapi. Now the news in details. Along with the rest of India, Teachers' Day was celebrated in Diphu. However, the celebration was limited and without the involvement of school students due to the pandemic. In the celebration organized by the Department of Education, KAEC, several teachers were honored with certification of recognition for their exemplary work in the field of education. In the absence of the CEM Tuliram Ronghang, KAEC EM in charge for her education department, Jagat Singh Ingti attended as the chief guest in a program held at KAEC Secretariat Meeting Hall. He was accompanied by his fellow members of the KAEC and board chairman, while several secretaries of various departments were also present. The program was held under the initiative of the Inspector of Schools, Karbi Anglong District Circle, and assisted by persons working under the Education Department. Several teachers from lower primary schools, middle elementary school, high school, higher secondary schools and college were given recognition certificate by the KAEC to acknowledge their valuable service. Prominent among the recipients were Eastern Karbi Anglong College Principal Dr. Anil Chandra Das, Velongbi Harlongbi College Principal Junali Ronghangpi, Diphu Boys Higher Secondary School Principal Hilary Terang, Diphu Girls High School Headmaster Nirmal Chetri, and LP School Master and Writer Khoya Singh Hanse. Speaking as the chief guest, EM Jagat Singh Ingti said that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is doing all efforts to develop educational infrastructure in Karbi Anglong. However, he regretted that financial shortcomings have prevented the KAEC to execute various projects in the field of education. He also mentioned about the non-provincialized schools and showed his helplessness in not being able to do anything remarkable for their development. Later, the Inspector of Schools delivered her vote of thanks, and the program ended with singing of national anthem led by a team from Diphu Girls College. It may be mentioned that the whole program was moderated by Diphu Boys Higher Secondary School Principal Hilary Terang. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.